Go. We can't drag you outside like that. Tell that puppy no. Who's that? What's that puppy's name? No. Sophie.
Go.
Well, she's not gonna go with. Oh, she's not gonna drag you.
Is that the new plan?
We've done that before.
It was not good, Madeline.
Right, Sophie. Sit. Sit. Okay.
Now where are you going?
Sophie just stopped. She's like a mule. She's less horse-like and more mule-like.
All right, come on, Sophie. Come on, Sophie. We need a saddle.
Okay, call her.
Come on, Sophie. Come on, Sophie. Come on. Come on, Sophie. Come on.
Go, Sophie. Come here, Sophie.
Screw that. I'm not going anywhere with this thing on my back.
I am not doing this for the rest of my life. Gotta wrap those feet around now. We might be able to suspend her from underneath them.
I don't think so. Madeline, say thank you, Sophie.
Give Sophie a kiss. Oh, she kissed you back. That's a good girl.